and this is the circuit diagram for your reference. So we have included two libraries, that is wire.h and liquid crystal I2C. We have connected the trig pin to D2 and echo pin to D3, and there may be a chance that you haven't installed the liquid crystal I2C library. So to install this library, you have to go to sketch and then you have to go to include library, and then click on manage all libraries, and there will be a prompt of library manager will appear on your screen. So as you can see, it is loading. Now you have to search liquid crystal. So as you can see, I have installed the latest version of the required libraries. If that is not installed, you have to install it first, and then you have to compile the code by verifying it. And the next step is to upload the codes. So guys, as you can see, as I take away the panda from the sensor, the distance increases, and the way I take it closer, the distance decreases, and it is accurate. So please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.